Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to create Google form. It is very easy. What you need to do, just go on Google or whatever browser you are using, just go there and type Google form and search. Then you will able to see many websites, but it is usually the first one. Click on the first website or this website, then you will able to see this kind of window where we have to click on go to form option, and once you click here it will load and this is kind of window will pop up, and here we need to click on blank form. But in case if you want to use their templates, you can go for that because many templates are there. Whatever template you want to use, you can just go for that. But personally I will suggest you to use the blank form because it will make easier for you. And once I click here, this kind of window will pop up. Here we have option like untitled form, so if you want to title a form you can go for that. So I can just name it as anything like sports, and here you have option for description. So if you want to add description, you can add that as well. So suppose I add here for school information like this. Okay, and then here the main task, here we can add many questions we want. So suppose I have the untitled question, I can just rename it. So suppose I type here gender like this, and then here we have option, or the main thing is if you want to change the format of the option, you can just change that by clicking on the multiple choice, because here you can find many options such as multiple choice, checks boxes, paragraph, short answer. But if you are asking for gender, then we can easily go for multiple choice. Here the first option we can name it as male, and the second option we can easily add like this, and here it is automatically giving us the female, so we can just leave it as it is. Then here other you can select, and this is how you can easily make your questions according to you. Then you will see required option here. So if you leave it as required, so people have to answer the questions always, and if you turn it off, so people don't have to answer always. So they will easily just jump to another by skipping the question. But I will suggest you to just leave it as on, because people have to answer always. Now to add another question, we need to click on this plus sign and the question will pop up. Here we need to type the question, like I am asking here for qualification of the person, so I will just type here qualification like this. And here we have many options, such as I go for here short answer, or if you want to ask here for in paragraph, so you can just add the paragraph. But generally people will ask qualification in short answer, so I can just leave it as short answer. So I will just go for another question now, and here we will ask for their opinion on sports. So here we have to give them a paragraph so they can easily write their answer. So here we have the option paragraph, so they have to write the long answer then. So this is how you can easily make the questions according to you. And now here is the main thing, if you want to collect the email of your clients, so you can easily do that. Just go to settings, and here you will find this form defaults option. Here you have to go to collect email addresses by default. You just have to set it on responder input, so it will ask for their email always like this. So if they want to fill the form, they have to type their email, and only then they can submit their form. And also you have this option by the name of customize theme. Here you can easily change the color of the form, like I want this form in the green color, so I can easily change the color. And also many things are there, you can play with them. And once you're done with your form, you can easily send it to other people. So you have to click on send, and then here you have many options, such as you can easily send your form by email. But generally people use this option. Here you have to give the people a link like this link, but this link is going to be very big, so we can easily short it by clicking on this box, and the link will get smaller. And just copy the link, and you can easily send it to other people, or whatever your clients are, you can use this link. For example, I copy it and paste it to this incognito mode, and here if people click on your link, this kind of will pop up in front of them. Here they have to answer the questions, and they can easily submit the form. And yeah, that's it. This is how you can easily make Google form. So if this video helps you, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.